Good morning and welcome back to Dave's Post-Apocalyptic World to build a 3D printed dinosaur using our 8 Ender 3 Pro 3D printers. And in today's episode, part 15, we're going to attempt to put together these ribs back here, built in this video, onto our homemade, slightly curved armature. And the idea is to have some curvature for the spine, but not too much. And of course, under the watchful eye of our supervisor, we're going to attempt to put these together right about now. Hey, well, I hope you enjoyed that. This was the assembly of the ribs, and this thing's really starting to look like it's supposed to be something. So I hope you're enjoying this series. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see, and I do appreciate your comments. Next time, we're gonna start putting together the neck bones of our dinosaur right about here. But also, we started a new series while finishing up this one, and we started building a life-size Terracotta Warrior out of 3D printing using our 8 Ender 3 Pro 3D printers. They were sitting idle for a while, so I wanted to start another series. Plus this one, we're getting into more detail of the step-by-step and the minutia of how we built it, because a lot of you guys, I guess, thought I was going a little bit too fast on this project. So please check that one out over here, and we will see you next time on Dave's Post-Apocalyptic World.